Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So quick update on render. Well, actually, first of all, let's go and see the market feeling. Let me just refresh to be sure that things are up to date. So actually, this morning, I believe it was more red. Now start to have a little bit of more green. So that's nice. So let's go back to render. So once again, here we more likely, did begin this reversal of trend. As you can see, it's a very nice impulsive movement. Finally, so I can count this as a 1 and a 2. And actually now I'm wondering, should I count this as a 3? This is a 4 and this is the 5th. And now this is the beginning of the corrective movement for render, and this would be the A. And actually, let me just put that and track the corrective movement. So I'm going to do this like that. So this in green should be the corrective movement. Now I'm going to adjust a little bit but this is just to have an idea. Actually, it should be something like that. So this is a possible beginning of a reversal of the uptrend. We even though it's not my primary scenario now for a moment, but I still need to put it there. The problem with that, honestly, I did had some render. I did took some profit around $2, I think, and yeah, because I thought 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're doing a 5th one here. And then at the time I did the extension, and yeah, and it came near here. I rather take some profits than wait and price reverse, and then you lose all your profit. So I feel grateful that I secured those profits. And honestly now, actually, yeah, let's say this trend here at $2. If worst case scenario, price goes back even at $2, at least, I did secure these ones. Even though, if it did go even much higher, but then I'm able to buy them back at the same level, I would say it's a mission accomplished. I wouldn't say, missed out, man. Because by doing that, you install a system that, you always systematically take some profits. And the day that price actually start to reverse, or only make 3 waves, and you took some profits, and then the price, just, fall down hard, you would feel so grateful that, you keep doing that system, but because eventually it's going to become automatic, right? And those are the moments that you don't feel stupid, you feel very smart. Well, for sure, now I would have loved to keep them and sell them at 267, but that's impossible. No one can do that. No one can always estimate what's going to be the ultimate high of any stock, any share, any crypto. If they say that, they're liars, or they come for a future. All right, so now my dilemma is like, is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we did a 1, 2, and here it's another 1, 2. This is just the third of the light blue count. Now we're doing the fourth. I'm saying that why? Well, first of all, if I zoom in a little bit, we can see that we did reach the 0.382, which is the ideal retracement for the fourth wave. Also, we're having DMA 50 on the 4 hours that it can help us out and acting as a support. We have this mini uptrend line also that is honestly now acting as a support. If I go on the 1 hour, almost the same thing, just different MA. On the 1 hour, we are having the MA 200 that can help us out. And if I zoom in, that this precious uptrend line in green is acted, like up to now, this is the 5th hour that's acting as a support. Let's see if we can continue like this. Now, if Bitcoin keep going on a side or start to go higher, then I believe we're well, yeah, render can very possibly do another leg up. Worst case scenario, this and honestly, this could be the fourth. We do a fifth one, and that would just end the third wave, the longer or larger third wave in dark blue. And after that, maybe if Bitcoin has another pullback, not a drastic one, but maybe yeah, it's A, then things are going to shift. People are going to start to take profits in Bitcoin if we make a new higher high. So it's going to be mini season for the altcoins and help to do the fifth count of the wave in dark blue, and then everybody's going to be happy. I think here I was too far with my counts. It's not bad though. So you can see I did say, maybe this is the third. Didn't want to do that. Fourth, seriously. Can I do it? I did put it here, the fourth one. So if this is the third, then we're going to make another fourth larger for the larger wave and a fifth one. So we can talk about something between $3 and $3.30 easily for render if everything goes well. If worst case scenario, this is the fifth indeed, and this is just the A, we're going to go higher. So depending on the structure of this higher level wave, then we can see 3 wave up is going to be a corrective movement, 5 wave up is going to be the trend continuation. So there you go for render for today. I think I mentioned, I'm not sure, I did got some render here at $2.35, 34 something. I did put, as you can see here, no, it was here, this one. I did put an alarm here at $2, let's say 22, just to make me aware of this situation, because it can go as low as $2.19, even a little bit lower, because we have this uptrend here. And here we had kind of on the VRVP, kind of a little bit of more volume than the rest of the place. And also here would be, I put another alarm here just to let me know of the trend. So these are, yeah, I think I only had this trade for today. I'm honestly waiting for the bigger pullback to really scale in many altcoins. I'm doing the research now, and like injective and render, I want to get more. I want to get into Rune, but there is potential for a short scalping trades. But I'm more looking forward to making a little bit more OT for the moment, getting most money that I can and put it aside, and then really get in. I would say waiting for the last flush for a bigger corrective movement, and then I'm going to I wouldn't say I'll go in, but pretty much place myself for the next ride. Yes, I'm going to do still some swing here and there, but I'm not into more scalping or day trading. And yeah, so I'm more like catching the big waves. And then when I'm going to start to invest more, I'm going to add more into my long-term portfolio and some in my short-term portfolio. So the short one, I try to catch the swings like I'm doing today, and the longer one, the long-term one, I just leave them there, and then actually at the end we can maybe in 2 years we can make stats, right? Let's say if you just invest in render and then you just trade the swings, and your portfolio you just leave it like that, you can actually check if if we are good enough to even if it even makes sense to trade the swings, or if we are making more money leaving it into the long-term portfolio and not touching it, because sometimes, let's face it, price or market can just reverse on you, and you're going to miss a swing, right? So yeah, that's another interesting point that we can track. And also, when those things happen, we can, if we do it properly, we can do a research, look what we've been doing wrong, if there were some sign that we missed, that maybe was time to get in or time to get out and we didn't, and then we miss out. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Render for today. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.